Hi, this is Tripti. Are you looking for relief from foot pain? Look no further than the lifelong LLM360 coded electric foot massager. This powerful 40-watt motor is perfect for home use and provides a real massage experience with its flexible rubber kneeling pads. The foot massager comes with 4 automatic programs and 3 custom massage modes to target the tip of your toes, arch of the foot and sole of the foot. It helps relieve fatigue and improves blood circulation while providing overall wellness. The lifelong foot massager has been designed in a way that it adjusts itself according to your feet and their acupuncture points, making you feel more relaxed and rejuvenated after the massage. So don't wait any longer. Get your lifelong LLM360 coded electric foot massager today and start experiencing relief from the foot pain right away.
If you're looking to buy a massager, there are several factors to consider before making a purchase. Here is a comprehensive buying guide for any sort of massagers. Type of massager. There are several types of massagers: handheld massager chair, foot massager, back massager, and many more. Each type is designed to target specific areas of the body. So determine which type of massager you need based on your pain or tension points. Massage techniques. Massagers can use various techniques such as shiatsu, percussion, vibration, and kneading. Each technique has its own benefits, so choose the technique that best suits your needs. Intensity levels. Massagers can have adjustable intensity levels or fixed intensity levels. Adjustable intensity levels allow you to customize the massage to your comfort level and specific needs, while fixed intensity levels are preset to a specific level. Size and portability. Consider the size and portability of the massager, especially if you plan to use it on the go. Handheld massagers are more portable and easy to carry, while massage chairs are bulkier and require more space. Heat functionality. Some massagers come with a heat functionality that can enhance the therapeutic effect of the massage. Consider if this feature is important to you while selecting a model. Additional features. Some massagers come with additional features such as interchangeable heads, speed control, and auto shut-off. Consider these features when selecting a model based on your specific needs. By taking these factors into account, you can choose a massager that suits your needs and enhances your relaxation and well-being.